Welcome friends, my name is Anandarup Bhattacharjee. Today I am going to show you BDC program using session method. Session method where you can upload huge amount of data like greater than 10,000 amount of data from non-SAP system to SAP system. The first point is session method. Another second point is show an error message automatically during the time of upload. When it any error will during the time of upload, if anything is wrong, then it will show an error message automatically and capture the screen. And before you have to rectify the error, after that you can upload the data using session method. The processing is asynchronous processing session method, but updated only for synchronized method. Remember, and using session method you can use multiple transaction, but today I am going to show you single transaction using session method to upload the data from non-SAP system to SAP system. So let's have a look. Just here enter here enter screen, you have to give the SHDB transaction and click on continue button. Now click on new recording button, give the program name GBDC 99. I have mentioned my own custom name and give the transaction code. I am going to upload the data against FK01 T code. So that's the transaction code I have mentioned here. And updated mode is synchronized. You have to select the synchronized update mode, and cat mode is no cat, and click on start recording button. Now vendor you have to give 0 1 90 00. Company code, give the company code and give the account group and press the enter button. This is the screen where you can create the vendor. Now you can see create vendor initial screen and the T code is FK01. Click here and you can see all the list of functionality, the client number, transaction code, program name, user, which user is, it's all about that. Now press enter button. Here it will see enter number between A to Z. So I am going to create my custom, so that just give the custom number and press enter. It's already created, exists, so give the another name, don't worry, 91, and press enter. Now give the name, just BDC session method. I am going to show you session method, that's why I have mentioned here BDC session method, and search term is 1. I have mentioned here only 1, and country is IN. Now press enter. Here vendor found with same address, no problem. Check and press on continue button. Now press on enter button. Now press again enter button. Press enter button again. Recon account 31,000. Remember, and cash management group is A1, and click on save button. Just wait, it will take time. BDC, to upload the data from non-SAP system to SAP system, BDC is a method. Using BDC, you can upload the data by two ways: call transaction method, another is session method. Now I am going to show you in this video tutorial upload the data from non-SAP system to SAP system, BDC using session method. So all the captured data has recorded data has come in my screen. So you can see here Lifnar Z0191 BUKRS 001 KTOKK 0001 and name 1 is BDC session method, SORTL 1, land 1, land 1 IN, and another two things is AKONT 31000 FDGRV A1. Now click on save button and recording was saved, and click on back button. Here recording name has came properly. Now select the recording name ZBDC underscore 99. Click on program button. Now it will show create program. Okay. Now give the program name ZBDC Pro and select the radio button transfer from recording and click on continue button. Now give the title. Now I am going to write BDC program using session method and type, select the type executable program, always it's executable program, and click on source code button and give the package name. I have mentioned here ZSAI and click on save button. You can create package, your own package, custom defined package, and after that mention here package name, or you can click on local object. If you don't have package, then you can click on local object, but here I have my own custom package, so that's why I have mentioned here ZSAI, and after that click on save button and give the short description I have already given here. So just you click on create request and here you can write BDC program using session method. Okay, and click on save button. Give the meaningful name. It will good practice for ABAPers or any end user or client, though those who are willing to see the program, they will easily understand what you are writing or what you are going to do, and click on continue button. It will go to, now click on continue button, it will go to your report program like AC38 program. I have already created in my notepad BDC session method, so don't worry, I will show you step by step. Here already line of code has came, so What I am telling you, I have already created the BDC session method. So notepad I have created, I will show you. Here you will delete this line, include BDX, like that, perform open group, and last is perform BDC transaction and perform close group. Now here I have, this is my notepad, I will show you. I, I have created the program. Whatever I have mentioned, first of all create a structure, give types keyword, chain operator, and begins type of, this is a formation of create structure. And before, when I have recorded my fields, the listener BUKRS, give the field's name properly, and after that create internal table and work area. So create internal table and work area. Now this is the internal table, ITLFB1 type table of structure name. It will hold all the data, internal table, it will hold all the data as per the structure whatever I have mentioned here. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 fields. It will hold 8 fields data and work area. Now create internal table of BDC data and work area BDC data. That's fine. Now create parameter keyword to accept the value. So this is the parameter keyword, and give the variables name p file, and after that here parameter keyword p file is, here you have to give some changes, local file. Okay, that's fine. Now press enter, and after that add selection screen on value request. Add selection screen on value request p file. P file means when it will, just remember this thing, p file variable, it will help to search the value, and L file is another file, it will a string type which holds the value of p files, and p file value will be stored on L file. Okay, it will assign the address variable, which will, L file is address variable which will hold the data of p file value. Now you can call function, I will show you. Now click on patterns button. This screen will be come, and give the file name, call function name f4 file name, and click on continue button. Now these things will be come automatically. Now here it will comes automatically properly. Now here you have to give the file name. Which file name? P file, which I have mentioned as parameter file name. You just see here. Okay, after that you have to call another function is GUI upload. Start of selection, then start of selection, it will helps to selection method. And now GUI upload. GUI upload, you click on again pattern button and select the radio button call function. Now write the another program name GUI upload. It will helps to upload the data from non-SAP system to SAP system. So you have to call this function, click on continue button, and after that file name GUI upload, file name is L file. L file, file type, uncomment this line, file type is asynchronous, and hash field separator is X, and read by line is X, and tables data tab is IT internal table ITLFB1. You have to remember which internal table you have mentioned. Here I have mentioned ITLFB1. Whatever you will mention. Suppose IT anything ABCD, then you have to put here IT ABCD. Okay. Now you have to these things has completed. Now you have to call write BDC open group statement, perform BDC open group. Now double click on it. It will show and pop up. Do you want to create subroutine? Yes, I want to create. And select the ZBDC program name. It is the main program, and click on continue button. It will create a form statement. Now you have to create, click on here click on pattern button and give the call function BDC open group, and click on continue button. Here open group, you have to one minute. Client is mandate and group name ZBDC session. I have given here my custom name. After that, keep, uncomment this line, keep and user. Keep will be x within inverted comma, and user will be psi uname. Okay, and that is end form. Okay, no problem. Now BDC open group I have mentioned properly. After that, here you have to put loop at internal table ITLFB1 and into work area LFB1 and clear work area BDC data. Now I have told you I have written here properly, so just copy here this thing. Here you will see the I have mentioned here LIFNR, LIFNR, Bucas. You have to change the value. You have to put here work area BDC data. So I have copied this thing. You will see. I will show you KTOKK, land 1, name 1, SORTL, land 1. This thing just copy. I am going to show it will reduce time and paste. Just show the thing black color. Work area LFB1 listener. I have changed this thing. LFB1 BUKRS. LFB1 work area LFB1 KTOKK. Work area LFB1 name 1. Work area LFB1 SORTL. Work area LFB1 land 1. And another two things is LFB1 AKONT and work area LFB1 FDGRV. Okay, that's fine. Just delete this line, and now after that right here perform BDC insert, and now double click on BDC underscore insert. Do you want to create subroutine? Yes, I want to create. Select main program. This is the main program. Select ZBDC main program and click on continue. Now this is the form statement, and click on pattern button. This pop-up screen has came, and here you have to write the function name BDC underscore insert and click on continue button. Here BDC call function insert has came properly, and uncomment the exporting tab and give the T code. I have told you FK01 I want to upload the data, so give the T code FK01, and tables here IT Dynpro is with structure IT BDC data. Okay, that's fine. So here I have completed, and Now last thing is BDC close group. Refresh IT BDC data. IT underscore BDC data perform BDC underscore close underscore GRO BDC close group. Double click on BDC underscore close group, yes button, and select this main program and click on continue button. Now just again click on pattern button to call the function BDC close group and click on continue button. Okay, that's fine. Now no need to change here BDC close group. Now you have to double click here BDC underscore dying pro and BDC field. You have to double click on BDC dying pro. Program changes yes. Click on subroutine, again click BDC underscore dying pro, double click on it and click yes button. Now select the main program, continue button. Here this will be form statement will be open. Now you have to just copy this thing and paste it. Okay, BDC Dyne Pro, and another is BDC field. BDC field, any one you can, just only one, you can double click on it, BDC underscore field. Yes, I want to create subroutine. Click on yes button. After that select main program and click on continue button. Yes, these things, and now copy these things and replace BDC field form statement here. These things, now it will work fine. Now click on save button. Now click on, I have mentioned all the things: BDC field value, BDC Dyne Pro, BDC close group. After that refresh and BDC insert. BDC open group, loop at internal table, everything I have mentioned here, and GUI upload and everything. Now click on save button and click on check button here. L file, the field L file is unknown, but there is a similar of P file. One thing, L file. one minute. P file type local file. V file is type string. Asynchronize, everything is right. Okay. Hello friends, this is my flat file. I have mentioned the details of the data into my notepad, which name is ZABC. ZABC, I have mentioned my custom name. So I have mentioned all the data as per the field name which I have recorded earlier using SHDBT code. You just see the value, and now I am going to close this notepad. Now this is my report program. I have rectified all the things. Now just again I will show you properly. Just create the structure, and after that create the internal table which holds the structure value tyfk01. Now internal table bdc data I have mentioned here. Now give the parameters name. P file is the local file type local file, and at selection screen value request, which will find the value. And now call the function f4 file name, and start of selection assign the L file another which is string type, and L file is address variable which holds the value of P file. Now give the GUI upload L file, all the things I have mentioned here, internal table LFB1, and after that perform BDC open. Now I have mentioned loop internal table into work area clear and refresh all the things, and perform perform BDC dying to I have mentioned work area as per my recorded program. BDC insert I have mentioned perform statement, and BDC close loop. Before I have mentioned BDC open. Session method has three parts: BDC open, BDC insert, and BDC close. That is the sequence. You can't write BDC insert, BDC open, BDC close. First is BDC open group, second is BDC insert, and third is BDC close, and give the DynPro and BDC field, and the open group I have mentioned all the things, and BDC insert I have mentioned the T code here FK01 and structure ITBDC data, and BDC close group just call the function BDC underscore close underscore group, no need to change, and click on save button and click on check button. Here you will see program ZBDC is syntactically correct, no error. As below here green color will be show the message, and click on activate button. Here below it will show the activated, the program will be activated, and here it will show the active. Before was that it was inactive, now it is active, and message has came object activated. Now click on run button. Now here p file. Now at selection screen on value request will use for here the this button is used for at selection screen on value request. F4 file, F4 call the function F4 is used for that particular purpose. Click on that. A pop-up will be open. Here choose the file zabc is my flat file I have shown you, and click on open button, and now click on execute button. Now here you will see the pop-up message. Do you want to grant access this file? Yes, I want to grant. Allow. Click on allow button. Now here you have to click on this drop down list and go to SM35. SM35, just click on continue button. Here you will see the ZBDC underscore session. ZBDC underscore session. Which is ZBDC underscore session? ZBDC underscore session is, just go to AC38 and give click on change button. You will see the session name ZBDC session is open group, ZBDC underscore session the group name, and it will included into our call function BDC underscore open underscore group. Here this will come automatically to your SM35 T code. Just go to directly \n SM35 and press continue. You will see Z underscore BDC underscore session. Now select on this Z underscore BDC underscore session and click on process button. You will see the pop-up radio button process foreground display error only background, all the radio button. Here you will select process foreground and process foreground radio button and click on process button. You will see the value. Now click on continue button. It will already exist Z00 Z0666. Just one thing, just close it, the value. Seven, I will change the my flat file. 8 9 0 means this 6 7. Now save it and close my program, and again go to go to my go to back file, just sm35 \n, just exist batch input. Just do one thing, go to \n sm35. Now you will see the red sign here because it will not work properly. Just delete, click on delete button, and two things I have selected, and continue button. Do you want to should this be deleted? Yes, I want to delete. All the things has deleted. Now go to AC38 T code and just click on change button and click on run button. Click on F4 file. I have changed this T code and click on open button. Selected and click on continue, execute button and click on allow button. Now go to \n sm35 and continue button. You will see the bdc underscore session has created. Now select this file and click on process button and select the process foreground radio button and click on process button, and now click on continue button, and this has worked properly. This is working properly. Now click on continue button, same address, no problem, continue button. Another things, click on continue button, it will work properly. Continue button, continue button, and 31,000 and A4 and continue button. Now processing of batch input session completed. Session overview, click on this button. Now you will see the green tick button and select this file session name and click on analyze button, analyze session. You will see the index number 1 transaction code fk01 is processed. The status is processed, and click on back button. Now go to again back button. You can see, you can click on process button. I want to see no, just because you have completed the process, the requested session cannot be processed. Yes, absolutely right, because I have completed my process, and it will show analysis button, the process proceed, and it is completed. And go to back button and again back button and go to AC11T code. You can see the data and click continue button and give the table name LFB1. You can see the value, it's uploaded or not properly. Click on display button. Progress is going on. Now click on contents button, this sign. Now you will give the value Z0670 06612 Z0670 That's the range I have mentioned from 0661 to 0670, and number of entries total I have already uploaded before, and now one, total 5 entries. Now click on close button and click on execute button. You will see the value. Yes, definitely. My last entry was Z0670. That was my last entry. 0670 and 001 and 31,000. 31,000. That's the things it's uploaded successfully. A4 value was FDR, FDGRV was A4, so it works properly. So it's all about BDC program using session method. You will see the table value here. The data has uploaded successfully. Thank you all of you everybody. Thank you, and just go to your program and started your new BDC program, and just you will succeed, I hope. Thank you. Thank you all of you everybody.